Alright, here we are, December 6th. It's about 9:15 in the morning. We're about an hour west of San Antonio. We drove, me and Dylan, on buddy here, drove up from Beaumont last night to San Antonio, stayed at his parents' house, and we're headed out to El Paso, going after mule deer in Aoudad at Ken McVeigh's ranch in Van Horn, Texas. So here's our shot for the next 8 hours. It's nothing but the road.
Whole lot of nothing.
Whole lot of nothing. We're pretty pumped. We should be there about 3 something this afternoon, and then we'll start our first morning hunt tomorrow. Giddy up. What is it? Put horns on?
Yep.
Put horns on?
Yep.
Yeah. Broke the full horn. He's right there. Good. Yeah, that's a movie. It's gonna be a nice one. I still can't make that one out with the head in the ground. Can you see it? Oh, there she just...
It's all does.
Hmm?
They're all does. There's one up on the ridge behind her. It looks like a... Yeah, I think so. Wait, there's a third one. Yeah, with his tail. You got some horns on it. Yeah, that's a good looking deer. Yep. Oh, there's 2 bucks. There's a buck right up above him. You see that? There's 4 deer. 2 bucks, 2 does. You see that buck up above him? He's standing broadside.
Can you get it?
Yep, got him.
I guess he can't make one of them out because if it was 2 does, he'd be
Moving along. Where they at?
Right there.
Got him. Got him.
Straight front. Wait till both.
I got one in the.
Okay, hold on. Get set up. Come on. There. There are two in the middle. More.
Yep. Yep.
160.
There.
160.
Here. Here.
160. 178.
Here. 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 Any fucking day, guys. I know you popped that one, I think. You did that one. So take yours now. You got yours. Here. Probably the one on top. I think you hit it.
Got him. Yep.
Do
Yep.
it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do him again. Take him down. The one falling?
No, he's running across the top.
220.
Hang on, he's about to.
Come on. Take it.
Got him again. I got him again.
Boys.
He's done.
Okay.
I hit him twice. I saw him flinch good the second time. Yeah, but yes, sir. Did you get your soup?
Yeah.
Did you freaking drop him? Yeah, dude.
Yeah, he fell all the way down.
Yeah, dude. The second one, I saw him flinch. The first shot I pulled, I was like, dude, he's still running.
Good job, guys.
We get two now?
Yeah.
There's two running over the top right there.
Yeah, there's four. This one's practically all the way down.
You shoot it on a 300-yard zero.
I had mine on 300 yards. I cranked it down to 200 when.
Good shooting, guys.
That rifle's pretty flat.
Good fucking shooting.
That's only about 6 inches difference in drive.
I don't think we missed with any of those.
That's what I like. Good shooting.
Sweet.
You freaking. Well, here we are, December 10th, 2016. This is day 4 of the hunt. We got good news. We are tagged out. We are done. I shot El Burro yesterday afternoon, the donkey. He was named the donkey because he had a
Record gut.
record gut, potbelly deer. Dylan tagged out this morning, shot a nice management buck, about 8 o'clock this morning. Now we're headed out in this beautiful country to go shoot and call for some coyotes. So hopefully we'll be able to get some good video of that. Pretty pumped. This is day 4 of the hunt. So now that we're tagged out, we're gonna head back in the morning, which is a day early, but
we still got 2 more guys out there. They're still looking 2 more trophy bucks. So we're wishing the best of luck to them.
Best of luck for some trophy deer. We took our deer to the check station this afternoon because all of the deer coming out of the Trans-Pecos area have to be checked for chronic wasting disease. So we took the deer up there and they grabbed some brain samples of the deer to send to the lab. So we did that this morning. We are fat and happy. We've had a cook. His name is Bazi. He is a cook that we got. He's originally from Colorado, and the man can cook. I'm not gonna lie.
The man can cook.
We ate ribeyes last night. I don't know any deer camp that I've ever been to that you eat ribeyes for dinner, but we have ribeyes, lasagna, brisket. We're eating an Aoudad roast tonight. I've never had Aoudad, so that'll be a unique experience. The guys here say that the Aoudad meat's excellent, so we'll see. We've got 200 quart coolers full of mule deer meat, so we'll be headed back in the morning.